beauties, it's me, Allegra. I got some new Lawless Beauty here. I got a new talc-free eyeshadow palette, the lavender one, and I also got some new Lawless Beauty lips. So I thought it'd be super fun today to hop on and we'll make a look and see how it applies. I've never tried Lawless eyeshadow before, so I'm really excited. This is New Clean Makeup 2023 from Lawless Beauty, so I'm really excited to try it out because, of course, like many of you beauties, have you tried the Forget the Filler? It's amazing. Her lip plumper and the overnight lip plumping mask, amazing. And what else have I tried? I tried her mascara, the Lawless Beauty mascara, the other day. This mascara is hands down better than any drugstore, any high, regardless of price. It is just beyond amazing. I've never seen anything like it. So I'll put it on again today in case you guys didn't see, because I did it in kind of like one of the shorts. So let's just dive right in. I have the palette right here and it's called the One Lavender from Lawless Beauty. So here it is. Oh, it looks so beautiful. That's why it really inspired me. This one is kind of like a periwinkle purple shade, lavender, and then they do have these neutral shades that you could wear alone for everyday look, which is amazing because so many times colorful palettes don't have neutral shades as well. So it's kind of like, you know, you can only use them for those days when you want color. But this palette is going to be, you know, hopefully as long as the shadows apply well. Just from the color scheme here, this could be an everyday palette and your fun times palette if you don't wear a colorful eyeshadow every day. Like me, I wear neutral shadow most days. But there are those times when you like to bump it up. Anyway, let's just see what happens. Because maybe, I don't know. And then there's shimmers in here. So I want to play with it all. I want to try it all out. So I don't know where to start though, guys, because I want to do them all. Okay, let's just get started out. I already did prep my eyes, and you know, the other day I used my P. Louise makeup base, which I haven't, my eyeshadow base. I usually just use concealer, but the other day I used my P. Louise, and can I tell you, it makes such a huge difference. It makes such a smooth canvas for the eyeshadows to apply, 10 times more smoother than the concealer. So it's really amazing. I do have that on right now. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm just gonna reach for whatever. You know, just this one is calling my name right here. This, it's like an ultraviolet, I will call it. What is it called? Let's see. It's called rose water. Is that possible? I don't know. Because, you know, back and forth. Okay. Let's try it out because it's calling my name, like I said. All right, let's go ahead and apply this. Oh, I just could see myself putting this all over. Ooh, yes, that is beautiful. And oh, it's so beautiful for spring. I hope you guys can see that, but that is one dip in and it is just, oh, it's gorgeous. It's so pigmented, not patchy whatsoever. It's just creamy, smoothly applying to my eye. I do have very, very hooded eyes. Hope you guys can see that. But with the lighting, it might translate lighter feel. Let me try to make it a little darker. I just turned the lighting down a bit, so, because I felt like the lighting was kind of blowing the color out. But what do you guys think? That is, I think it's absolutely stunning. I'm blown away. And this is clean beauty makeup, so it's makeup that you can feel good using. There's no talc in it, and so you're not, you know, it's just going to be good for your health overall. But how stunning is that? You guys, I'm in love with this. And there are, of course, this is just one shade. There's a whole bunch more shades in here to try. So, you know, me though, I love to put on one shade and then maybe some, I think I like personally to do not too many shades, but I do want to try more colors because I'll definitely be using this kind of deep, it looks like a gray shade, but I want to use this shade. Maybe I'll put it on underneath so we can just see what it looks like, because I definitely want to use as many of these colors as possible. And look how quickly and easily that applied, because the shadows are just such great quality. So let's go ahead and try that other purple shade. That one I believe is called Pink Salt. Is that possible? The names are not matching for me to the color, because that doesn't look pink to me. But anyway, let's go ahead and put some on the lower just so we can try it out. I'm just going to take a pencil type of brush and I'm just going to use this shade here. But this is kind of, you know, this is very colorful, but it's also soft. as well. Okay, now this one looks more grape in comparison to the other one, which I guess is rose water. Look at that. Do you guys see? Yeah, I love this color right here. It's so unique. It's so beautiful. This is a beautiful color as well, but this one is a showstopper. This one is just like, I've never seen anything like it. It's outstanding. So this one is, you know, color. So I like this shade because it's just so stunning and unique and vibrant. So, okay, let me go ahead now and try this kind of deep color here. We'll use that kind of like do a little wing with that, see how it comes out. Now this is much lighter too than it looks in the pan. Very beautiful. It's actually stunning. It's just not going to come out. It's you know, more of a wash of kind of like a gray. Let me look on here. Yeah, it's like a charcoal but a wash. This would look beautiful for a smoky eye. Oh my gosh, that would be a beautiful, especially even a daytime smoky eye with this color here, which I feel like the name is that one called, no, this has got to be back. Okay, this one is probably called Blackberry. This one's got to be called Orchid. Yeah, that's what's going on here. And this one is called Lavender. They're kind of, I don't know if, because actually they did send this to me to try. Yeah, the color, the names are reversed to what's on the palette. So actually, yeah, they're not, because I was like, this does not look rose, and in the back it said rose. Okay, no, this one is called Violet. Oh no, this one is called Lavender, the one that I love so much, and this one is called Orchid, and this one is called Blackberry. Okay, so I'm actually going to put on some of these shimmer shades now. So I'll try, this one is called Pink Salt. See, that makes sense because this has pink in it. You know, normally I do like, you know, maybe we can cut the crease. Let me cut the crease a bit so this will really pop. So the shimmer shadow will really pop. I'm going to put on some more of that P. Louise base. Let me go ahead and grab it. And I do have, again, very hooded eyes, so I'm going to take a very small angled, this is kind of like an eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to use this to carve out the front portion of my eye. Because, you know, when you have hooding, the smaller the brushes, the better for working with your, you know, your hooding and your lid space. So I'm just going to take this P. Louise and use this angled brush and just carve out a little front portion of my eye here. Guys, I'm so excited because I have so many makeup empties to share with you. I cannot believe it. I just never used up so much makeup in my life. But now I've been doing so many shorts, you know, TikToks, things of that nature. And I'm going through my makeup like water. So the good news is that I'm using it up because I don't like to waste. So anyway, I'm just going to take this shade actually, which is Pink Salt. Oh, this is Pink Salt and this is Rosé. So I'll take Pink Salt first. And anyway, guys, I'm going to be doing an empties video soon because I have so many empties. I used up so much foundation. Oh, look how beautiful that is. That's really gorgeous. There's so many ways you could wear this palette because you could definitely take this shadow and also wash it and just put it all over your eye. I think that would look gorgeous especially if you want to do like a daytime look. You could just put this color all over your lid and a little bit of the neutral shade in the crease. I think that would look gorgeous. Wow. Actually, I'm going to do that tomorrow because normally on an everyday basis, I don't really go anywhere. So the makeup that I do for my everyday is, you know, it's just basic. So, or, you know, it's just more, it's not that much. So actually I'm going to try this one again now, paired against that shimmer. So I'm just going to pop it. Let's see, I'm just going to pop it. Like so, yeah, like that. Yes, that's where it shines, this color. Because as a liner, it really wasn't, you know, doing the most. But here, when you put it on a brush and tap it on, you can really see how beautiful it is. That is a beautiful color. And I'm taking that Orchid shade, and that is beautiful. Now the Orchid shade layered over Lavender, the first shade that I use, is gorgeous. Wow, look how beautiful that is. And there's really not a lot of fallout. I mean, I really don't think there's any fallout So you can go ahead and, you know, go for it, go have fun, and it's not going to get all over. This is so nice, and it's such a nice size too. So you can take it with you if you're traveling. It's also lightweight. It feels like it's a eco-friendly material, kind of like cardboard. So that I like that. You know, it's, you can easily recycle this. You know, and it's not heavy. So you can throw it in your makeup bag, which is great. So I'm just gonna put on some liner and some lashes. I do want to show you though the mascara again, because it's just unbelievable. So actually, let me just put on some liner. So I'm just going to use the KVD Beauty Tattoo ink liner, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline, and then I'm going to put it on my upper lashes, and I'm going to smudge it out. And I'm just going to use the BK Beauty 210 brush. This is a pencil type of brush. This is really worth the investment because it's so amazing at smudging out your liners, smudging out your lower lashes. So, you know, even though this is a little bit more money, it's worth, this brush is worth every penny. So some brushes, you know, it doesn't really matter. You can get whatever. But this brush is special, so it's worth it. It's worth the money. I hope you can see, but it really just blended. And this tattoo liner does not want to budge, actually. So it's blending it beautifully, though. So I'm just going over the liner now just to smoke it out with that, what is it, blackberry? And I'm going to put this on the lower waterline as well. I'm just using blackberry to kind of smudge out that liner, the Kat Von D liner. Okay, now let's put on the mascara. This mascara is unbelievable. So it's right here, beautiful packaging. And I hope that this will show up for you, because I think with my hooding, it's hard to see the lashes because my hooding is in the way. I don't know. But I can't believe how amazing this mascara is. So I hope that you're able to see for yourself, or if you can go in store to Sephora, I believe they have it at Sephora, you could test it out. You just will not believe how much lashes and volume. It's like, it's unbelievable. So hopefully it's gonna show up for you. You know, if anything, I'll come back with absolutely nothing on my eyes, and then you'll be able to maybe see better. So what do you beauties think? I hope you can really see just how stunning this mascara is. And now I do have here Forget the Filler Smoothing Gloss, but these, she has come out with, Lawless Beauty has come out with new shades. So let's see here. There's this shade here, which is called Lavender Sorbet. And then there's this one here, which looks more pinker in tone. This one is called Violet Bloom. So let me go ahead and open this one up. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I gotta try that one. What do you think? What do you guys think? Okay, should I put a lip liner on with it? I always wear a lip liner. What would I wear with this? I don't know. Let me just put this on its own, and we'll see how it comes out. Oh, it looks beautiful. Look how beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, I was not expecting that color. It's beautiful though. Wow. So beauties, this is how it looks on its own with no lip liner. I'm just going to apply a lip liner with it just because I love to wear lip liner, and I want to see how it looks with lip liner. So I'm going to go ahead and put on this Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude lip liner, and I'll put the lip gloss on, and I'll put the Forget the Filler on top. So beauties, this is the finished look. I absolutely do love this with the lip liner because I'm a lip liner junkie. So, and you know, I don't have filler. So the lip liner with the lip gloss makes a huge difference on a person like me. So I want the big lips. That's how I gotta get them. So anyway, beauties, I had so much fun playing with this Lawless eyeshadow palette today. My first time trying Lawless Beauty eyeshadow, and this girl is, she knows what she's doing. She does it good. She does good. Yeah, I'll have everything, you know, linked in the, actually there's a new feature where you can link everything right into the video. So I'll have it linked, I believe it is on the left side of the screen, all the products. So you can check them out and purchase them right then and there, right directly. Or you can go in store, of course, and try them out for yourself. Let me know if you do. Let me know how everything works out for you. And let me know any of your clean beauty makeup favorites. And I would love to come back and do a full face of clean beauty makeup because I have so many favorites. I don't think I had an eyeshadow palette prior, but now I do. So because I have my favorite foundation, the House Labs. My favorite clean beauty foundation is that House Labs is so good. This eyeshadow palette, amazing. This lips. I have so many products too, that clean beauty makeup that I want to try out with you too, that I want to try out. So anyway, beauties, I'll be back and we'll play with makeup again, have some makeup therapy, which very well needed. Oh, I forgot I wanted to have a giveaway, you guys. Okay, beauties, don't miss today's giveaway of the day. I'm giving away this beautiful Coach bag, Too Faced eyeshadow palette, iconic London goodies, Bare Minerals, Sephora, you name it. There are so many great items in today's giveaway. This Coach bag is valued at over $200. It's brand new and never used, authentic. And also you're going to be getting Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist, my makeup setting spray, and lots more. So just be a subscriber and comment hashtag GlamFam down below. I just thought that bag was so stunning. I was doing a closet clean out. And so if any of you beauties would like to win that bag, just be a subscriber, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below hashtag GlamFam. And I'll know that you want to take part and enter to win that beautiful bag. So thank you beauties so much for coming and spending time with me today. And I'll be picking the winner very soon too. So be on the lookout. So again, thank you beauties so much for spending time with me today. I love you guys so much and I will see you very soon.